So let's have a brief introduction regarding National Program on Prevention and Control of Viral Hepatitis. So what is hepatitis? It is the infection of liver which is caused by many types of viruses, right? Earlier there were only hepatitis A and B virus causing the disease. Nevertheless, today hepatitis virus C, D, E and G have also been discovered. Hepatitis A, B, C are diseases which is caused by three different viruses. Although each can cause similar symptoms, they have different modes of transmission and can affect the liver differently. So, to control and for the prevention of this viral hepatitis, the government of India has launched one program, that is National Program on Prevention and Control of Viral Hepatitis. So, this program was launched by the government of India during 12th five-year plan, that is in the year 2012 to 17 period. The objectives of these programs are to establish the laboratory network for laboratory based surveillance of viral hepatitis in different geographical locations of India, so that we can find out the cases. Then to ascertain the prevalence of different types of viral hepatitis in different zones of country. Then to provide laboratory support for outbreak investigation of hepatitis through established network of laboratories. The last objective is to develop technical material for generating awareness among the healthcare providers and in the community about the hepatitis through the IEC activities. Now we'll see the targets of these programs. Those are establishment of laboratory based surveillance for viral hepatitis in the country for the collection of data, then development of testing and surveillance guidelines and its disseminations. A total of 10 laboratories will be strengthened by the end of 12th five-year plan. Then training of manpower, healthcare providers in 10 regional laboratories, including National Center for Disease Control. We can say the reference laboratory. A total of 10 working group meetings and 10 technical advisory group meetings will be conducted. Then development of IEC for providers as well as the community for to the spread of awareness. Then establishment of baseline data for hepatitis to see the impact. So these all are the targets. To achieve these targets, the activities which are undertaken are surveillance. There is development of surveillance of viral hepatitis, then surveillance for prevalence of viral hepatitis in various geographic regions. The concept plan has been developed to carry out the surveillance for prevention and control of viral hepatitis in various geographical regions, and will initiate surveillance through 10 laboratory networks in a phased manner. A handbook of safe injection practices guidelines has been developed as a part of IEC for prevention and control of blood transmitted pathogens and has been circulated to different states. So this is what about prevention and control of viral hepatitis.